Hey guys, rain, rain, go away. The sun is out. 16 degrees, really nice outside. Hopefully, you get some time to get outside, backyard, or in the area where it's safe. Okay? Okay, let's go through this real quick. So these are the solutions to the questions. So A, B, C, D, numerical patterns. Okay? 5, 9, 13, 17, 21. We've got a difference of 4, so R is 4n plus 1. Remember 4, that's the difference in between each term number. That's going to be the coefficient, and then you can fiddle around with the constant, what's being added onto it, okay? 2n plus 9, 5n plus 21, and 30n minus 20. So this one has some subtraction in it, okay? So you have to be a little careful with that. Check those, make sure they're good. I think that's fairly straightforward. Okay, let's not overcomplicate things when we're going to graph a table of values, okay? The most important thing that we need to pay attention to is when you set up your table of values with n and v being term number and v being term value, we have to assign an axis plane to each of those, okay? How we do that is x and y, just like the order of an ordered pair, okay? X is first, and then y is second, okay? Therefore, anything that falls under term number, n, is going to be what we do on the x-axis, and then the term value is the y-axis, okay? For example, let's look at the first one, okay? 1 and 4. Out 1, up 4, right there, okay? That's that guy right there, okay? 2 and 9. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right there, 2 and 9, okay? And so forth. And I've done the line up there, okay? So I've put it in. I did a 15 by 15 quadrant here. I know this goes up to 24. You know what I mean? Depending on what you see in your table of values, what your sequence is, you can make your Cartesian grid or at least the quadrant accordingly. Let's go to the second one here, okay? So look at this right here. This is quite a steep trajectory, okay? So whatever this is increasing a lot in a short amount of time, okay? Let's look at the second example right here. 1, 11, 2, 13, 3, 15, 4, 17, 5, 19. This was from example of one of the questions given yesterday, okay? Same thing, 1, 11, 1, and then you go up 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right there, that's where we're going to start. Now this line is the second example. Okay, highlighted a second example. Just put it right here. And the pen is the first example. Okay, still starting a little bit higher up on the y-axis, but not as steep, but still fairly steep. Okay, so when we plot it, the most important thing is that you need to assign an axis to each n and v value. Okay, so n is term number is going to be x, and then v term value is going to be y, and you go out and you go up to plot in this situation. Okay, pretty straightforward. All right, I'm making this short. You guys have had a video, I think, every day this week, so okay, let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so I'm going to post a couple of questions. First thing, okay, for this involves everything. Okay, let's do a little bit of a check there. All right, then I'm going to open up a Google Meet. Okay, little video conference on Tuesday. Overwhelmingly, people want to do this, so we are going to do it. Okay, I will post times for 8.3 and 8.2 on the weekend. Okay, this is going to be a question and answer period for anything that has to do with the stuff that we've been looking at, okay, this past week with the linear equations. That's as far as we're going to take it, okay? So what you need to know, I think I've given you that information, so that I think you'd be okay next year, but I want to clarify everything, okay? So keep in mind with that. Also, those assignments, I keep grading them, keep coming back. I pick away at them a few each day, more than a few each day. So just keep an eye out with the transformation and rotation. If you haven't got the rotation one in, please do. And I think by the middle of next week, we're going to do a little bit of a choice board or a opportunity to select one of 3 assignments for our patterning assignment, okay? And then we can have some time to work on that. But again, I can talk a little bit more on that when we meet on Tuesday, which is, I think, going to be exciting. Look for the posted times. If you can't make it, it's not the end of the world, but it would be nice to hear your voice, okay? So have a great weekend. Check the solutions here. Do the question or the couple of questions I'll post, and then away we go. And I'll talk to you guys later. Okay? Hopefully everybody's having a good time. Well, maybe that's not the right thing to say. Hopefully everybody's enjoying their time at home, staying safe, getting caught up with the work. Hopefully it's enough. Maybe it's too much. I don't know. Let me know when I talk or when I speak to you. Okay? Have a good one, and I will speak to you later. Bye-bye.